We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer, telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you. This is one of our favourites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had the chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.